How do we know if something is actually research or just looking things up? Not every search for information is research. Not every question you Google counts. The difference is in the characteristics. Let's go through them. First, research is systematic. It follows a step-by-step process. You don't jump around randomly. You don't guess. You follow a structure. Anyone following the same steps should reach similar findings. Second, research is logical. Every step leads to the next. Your method must make sense. Your conclusion must come from your evidence. If there's a gap in your logic, the research falls apart. Third, research is empirical. A fancy word that simply means based on evidence. Real observations, real data, not just opinions or assumptions. You don't say, I think this is true. You show evidence that supports it. Fourth, research is replicable. This is a big one. If you do a study and someone else cannot repeat it and get similar results, your research is weak. Good research can be done again by anyone, anywhere, using your method. Fifth, research is objective. You set aside your personal feelings. You don't let your bias decide the outcome. This is hard, very hard, because we all have opinions. But research demands that you follow the evidence wherever it leads, even if you don't like where it goes. Sixth, research is cyclical. It doesn't end. One study leads to new questions. New questions lead to new studies. Knowledge grows. Research is not a straight line. It's a circle that keeps turning. Seventh, research is analytical. You don't just collect data and stop. You examine it. You break it down. You look for patterns, connections, causes. Data without analysis is just noise. So when someone says they did research, ask them, was it systematic, logical, based on evidence? Could someone else repeat it? Were you objective? Did it lead to new questions? Did you actually analyze the data? If the answer to any of these is no, it might not be research. It might just be collecting information. Before you go, here's a question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of research? A, systematic. B, random. C, empirical. D, objective. The answer is in the description. Check it after you think.